Welcome! Today we will learn how to make the half double crochet stitch, abbreviated, and its symbol appears on the screen. So let's get started. First we make a ring. Pull it a little bit. The hook size is 4.5 millimeters. Hold it this way. Then we make the desirable count of chain stitches. So we can start making the half double crochets. As we demonstrated before, the count of chain stitches should be more than the half double crochets. So we made 2 more chain stitches. We start the half double crochet with a loop. Grab the yarn from below. As we said, we will skip the first 2 chain stitches. This is the third one, and we can see the V shape clearly. 1, 2, and we go into the third one. Insert the hook into the upper loop, yarn over and pull through. And this gave us 3 loops on the hook. Now grab the yarn from below. Yarn over and pull through the 3 loops, and then we will get 1 loop on the hook. And this is how the half double crochet stitch is done. This is the one we just did, and this is the next one. Grab the yarn from below and we will get 2 loops on the hook. And go into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through, and there will be 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the 3 loops to get 1 loop on the hook. Again, grab the yarn from below and go into the next stitch. And we have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through, and we have 1 loop on the hook. Again, yarn over. And go into the next stitch, yarn over, and we will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the 3 loops, and we have 1 loop. Yarn over, and this is the next stitch. Go into the stitch and we have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all of them, and there's 1 loop. Again, yarn over, and we have 2 loops on the hook. Go into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, and we'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again. Then pull through the 3 loops, and there will be 1 loop left on the hook. Grab the yarn from below. And go into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through the 3 loops, and there's 1 loop on the hook. Yarn over. 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and go to the next one. Now 3 loop, pull through, and it's 1 loop. Yarn over and go into the next one. Yarn over again and get 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through, and we have 1 loop. Flip it around and start the next row. We start the next row by making 2 chains. Yarn over. Into this stitch. We get 3 loops, then yarn over and pull through. The stitches are obvious. Yarn over and go into the next stitch. Inserting the hook below the V shape. And pull through. And we have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, the next one. Yarn over and we have 3 loops, then pull through. Yarn over and pull through, 3 loops. Three loops, pull through, 1 loop. Yarn over and go into the next one. 3 loops, 1 loop. Yarn over into the next one. Pull through, we have 3 loops. Pull through and it's 1 loop. Yarn over into the next one. Yarn over and pull through. Then pull through the 3 loops. Starting a new row. And as before, to start a new row we will chain 2. Then yarn over and go into the next stitch. And continue the same way. Like so. Flip it around and start a next row. And now we've completed learning the half double crochet. Thank you.